Hello, welcome to all CBSE student, CBSE class 12 student. I am Bishwajit Ghosh and I am going to discuss today the basics concept of matrix. So let's get started. Uh, we narrate a story. Suppose Ram has 15 books. Ram has 15 books. We may note it as in the box 15 or 15. This is some kind of matrix. This also let Ram has two notebook. Okay, Ram has two notebook. We may noted as 15 books and two notebooks as like this 15 uh, 15 and 2 within this box. This is like a packet. If we multiply by any scalar of this, that is total the element is multiplied by that element. If we know alpha is multiplied with this, that is 15 or 2, we means that that is like 15's alpha and 2 alpha, where obviously alpha not equals to 0 is scalar. Okay, alpha is a scalar. Now if we consider Ram has 15 books, uh, Ram has 15 books, 3 notebook and 2 pen. We will note it as 15, 3 and 2 within this box, or 15, 3 and 2. As in the way, let Ram 15 books, 3 notebook and 2 pen. His friend Bohim has 10 books, 2 notebooks and 1 pen. Also, let Reva has 3 books, 5 notebooks and also 3 pen. We will note it there as these 3 person having this type of items. We will note it as 15, 3, 2, 12, 2, 1 and 3, 5, also 3. These rectangular array are called matrix. Okay. Here these are first column, these are second column, these are third column. So this is first column, this is second column, and this is third column. And here we see this one, that is in the horizontal level. This is called first row. This is called first row. We may write here first row, and this is second row, and this is third row. Clear? Now we come to the point of definition. How a matrix is defined. Okay, here may write the definition of matrix. A rectangular array of numbers or function is called a matrix. Okay, we will note it matrix by capital letter such as A, B, C, and so on, and the small letter for the element of the matrix, that is called elements of the matrix Okay, now we come to the next point, that is order of matrix. What is the order of matrix? We may write a matrix such as A11, A12, and so on, A1n, A21, A22, and A2n, A M1, A M2, A Mn. We may note it as like this. I prefer to note it like this first bracket. You may note it in third bracket also. Here the first is, that is the Mn. Here first is number of rows, that is first row, and one. Second one is for column, and first column. This is obviously first row, and 2, this is first column. So here total m cross n element. Here the number of rows, that is 1, 2, and m. So number of rows, that is m here, number of rows, and n here we noted that the second number is for column, first column and second column, and this is the nth column. So the second number is for column, this is column. So There are m cross n number of element. M cross n number of element. This is called the order of the matrix. This is called the order of the matrix. Okay, we write this in the abbreviated form as A equals to Aij m cross n. Here I is 1 less or equals to I less or equals to m, and j n. M or n, that is, here we write m or n may take any values for the matrix. Okay, if we show another example here, say m equals to 3 and n equals to 4. That is, the number of column here 4 and number of rows here 3. So we say the matrix is A11, A12, A13. Here the number m should be 3. M should be 3 and n is 4. So here we write A14. It's like this: A21, A22, A23 and A24, A31, A33, sorry, this is 2, 32, A33, A34. This is the matrix of having m rows and n column. So the total number of element here 3 cross 4, that is m cross n, that is 12. Okay, the order of this matrix is 12. Now we come to the next point: types of matrix. Different kinds of matrix. Number 1 is row matrix. As in the name, we know that only one row are present. That is, this type of matrix is A11, A12, A13 and A1n. This type of matrix is called row matrix. Okay, this type of matrix is called row matrix. Here we observe that in a row matrix we may write here A equals to Aij. Ai should be 1 and this is n. Okay, this is row matrix. Next we come to the point of column matrix. Okay, this is column matrix. As in the name, in a column matrix only one column are present. Okay, this is uh, A11, A21, A31, and so on, A M1. Okay, this is uh, only one column but different row. Ah, one row, two row, three row, and m row. We may write here m cross 1 matrix. Okay, this is called the column matrix. Now we come to the point, that is square matrix. Square matrix have an important role in the determinant, and there are so many properties in square matrix. Here the number of rows equals to number of columns. A matrix having number of row equals to the number of columns is called square matrix. Okay, we may write square matrix as like this. Say A equals to Aij n cross n. As an example, we may write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is a matrix. Here the number of rows and number of columns are equals. This is a square matrix. Now we come to the point, the next definition, that is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. Now what is diagonal matrix? A diagonal matrix having only the diagonal element exists. All other elements other than diagonal elements are all 0. We may write 1, 0, 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 3. We observe that only the diagonal element are present here. All the other element except the diagonal element are all 0. Okay, now we come to the next definition, that is uh, scalar matrix. Now what is the scalar matrix? Scalar matrix. Okay, the matrix uh, is called scalar matrix, where um, uh, we write a matrix here, A equals to Aij n cross n. This is a obviously a square matrix, and here Aij equals to 0 and Aii equals to C, one term. This type of matrix is called scalar matrix. We noted here 0 here, C0 0, 0 C 0, and 0 0 C. Okay, here only the diagonal elements are all equals, and elements other than the diagonal elements are all 0. We may take another example here. Uh, 1 minus 2i 0 0 0 1 minus 2i 0 0 0 1 minus 2i 2i here, that is 1 minus 2i. Okay, this type of matrix we see that all the diagonal elements are all equal and element other than the diagonal element are all 0. We now come the next definition, that is identity matrix. Now what is the identity matrix? If in a scalar matrix all the diagonal element are unity, all the diagonal element are unity, then this type of matrix is called diagonal matrix. Sorry, identity matrix. 1 0 0 1, okay, 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. This is noted as I suffix 3 and this is I suffix 2. Okay, and so on. We note that this is a scalar matrix and obviously this is a square matrix. Okay, now we come to the next definition, that is null matrix. A matrix having all its elements are 0. All its elements are 0. Okay, this is called a null matrix. This is called a null matrix. Now we come to the next definition, that is triangular matrix. Triangular matrix. What is triangular matrix? It is physically in the triangular form. We take an example: 1 2 3 0 4 5 0 0 6. This is one of these, and we may write here 1 0 0 1 2 0 and say 1 5 7. Okay, here we note that the elements in the main diagonal, that is elements in the above the main diagonal, are all here. Main diagonals below the main diagonals are all 0, and here we noted that the elements above the main diagonal are all 0. So this is called upper triangular matrix, and this is called lower triangular matrix. Okay, now we come to the next definition, that is equality of matrix. When two matrices are equal, equality of matrix. Two matrices are equal if they are of same type. Say A equals to a matrix size Aij, we will write here M cross N, and B also a matrix, say Bij R comma S. Here M should be equal to R and N equals to S. That is, two matrices are equal if they are of same order. Okay. And each corresponding element are all equal for all I and all j. Okay. So no more today. In my next episode of my channel, I come to some easy problem, that is basic problem. Actually, I will discuss from the base level to standard level. Okay. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and share to your friends also. And if you have any doubt, please comment me. Okay, thank you for watching.